Hello everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today we're going to be discussing the seasonal climate summary for Meteorological Fall 2017 across eastern Utah and western Colorado. The fall season, observed from September 1st through November 30th, was generally warm and dry across the region. Several strong ridges of high pressure stayed put overhead, which led to temperatures climbing above normal, especially during the months of October and November. With that being said, let's dive in. First off, let's look at each month at a glance, starting with September. September was a typical transition month where we saw summer give way to fall. We did get the first taste of mountain snow towards the latter half of the month, with snowfall amounts of 4 to 9 inches over the northern and central Colorado mountains. Other events throughout the month included the persistent smoke and haze from wildfires in Montana and the Pacific Northwest, and some significant accumulations of small hail in Durango, Colorado on September 30th. Next up, October 2017. The most active weather of the month happened during the first few days, as a strong and unseasonably cold early season winter storm brought snowfall amounts of 7 to 14 inches to the northern and central Colorado mountains on October 1st through the 2nd. Behind this system, much of the rest of October was the perfect fall weather, with mild, above normal temperatures and abundant sunshine. Finally, November. November was another quiet month with a persistent period of warm and dry conditions. There were some periods of snowfall over the higher terrain, favoring the north, but generally the entire region ended the month with below normal precipitation. In fact, the Grand Junction Airport finished the month as the second warmest and tied for the third driest November on record. Even more shocking, the Canyonlands Airport in Moab, Utah didn't receive any precipitation for the entire month. As previously mentioned, Meteorological Fall was dry across the region. All of our automated stations from across portions of eastern Utah and western Colorado reported below normal precipitation for the 3-month period. The most notable deficit was at the Durango-La Plata County Airport, which ended up being 3.39 inches below normal for the season, after receiving 1.54 inches of precipitation. The winner number-wise was the Craig Airport, which measured 4.86 inches of precipitation from September to November. It was a mild fall across eastern Utah and western Colorado, with most sites sitting above normal for the season. High temperatures peaked in the low to mid-90s, while lows dropped down to the single digits and mid-teens. The warmest temperature that was reported during the months of September, October, and November was 102 degrees Fahrenheit at the Canyonlands Airport on September 4th. The coldest temperature, a chilly 6 degrees, was measured at the Meeker Airport on November 18th after the passage of a cold front. Finally, let's take a look ahead to the forecast for Meteorological Winter. The Climate Prediction Center's latest 3-month outlook for the months of December, January, and February shows odds favoring warmer than normal temperatures for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As far as precipitation goes, no clear climate signature exists at this time that favors either above or below normal precipitation for meteorological winter for most of the region, though odds are favoring above normal precipitation for northern Utah and northern Colorado, which is typical for a weak La Niña winter. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in submitting photos for our seasonal climate review, be sure to send them to us on social media. We'll be sure to give credit to the photographer. Have a great day.